This video is about how to evaluate an exponential function that models a real world situation. So the model is a dollar value, which is using the function v of t of a certain car model that is t years old, is given by the following exponential function. V of t, which is just saying that the value is a function of t, is 20,000 times 0.95 raised to the t. And then it asks us for the initial value and the value after 13 years. So we want to do this using the calculator. The initial value is the value when t is 0. And so we go 20,000 parentheses 0.95 end parentheses. And then we want to use this x to the y value, and the initial t is 0. So I just like to put it near it so I can see I have the same exact formula. And what is the value when t is 0? I just click equals, and the initial value is 20,000. Okay, and then after 13 years, I'm just going to click undo, and it goes backwards. So all I did is click undo, and then I can replace the 0 with 13. What is the value after 13 years? Then we replace t with 13, and we hit equals. And after 13 years, it is $10,266 and to the nearest dollar. So they want it to the nearest dollar. So it's actually going to be, since that's an 8, it's going to be 67. All right, and let's do one more. Okay, a radioactive substance has a half-life of 14 hours. The amount A is a function of T. So A of T of the sample of uranium-240 remaining in grams after T hours is given by this exponential formula, and it wants to know the amount after 7 hours and after 30 hours. So again, we want to use the Alex calculator. Guys, don't use any other calculator. 2400 parentheses 1/2. Sure you move your mouse back out for the end parentheses. And then we're going to raise this to and the first one is after 7 hours. So we're going to replace t with 7. So 7 divided by 14, like that. Make sure it looks the same and it matches up. Okay, and then I just click equals. And so after 7 hours, they want this rounded to the nearest gram. So it's going to be, since that's a 0, we're going to keep that 7, 1697 grams. Okay, and then hit undo. And then they want after 30 hours, so I'm just going to change my t to 30. So this should match. I put 30 in for t. And the nearest gram, since that's a 4, I'm going to keep that 3. It's 543.